makes it very difficult to chat. And it's also very important that you're not evicted. If you just had one cup of coffee on ground that after 20 minutes you have to go, I think a good coffee house is one which should allow you to sit there and chat. And I think I had a sense, the coffee house we had in Calcutta, we were very lucky. It was run by the coffee house, the coffee workers' union, but the workers' union which ran it. So they had a certain amount of sympathy on the subject that we were discussing. So we were hardly ever evicted. Every now and then, maybe a gentle suggestion that we might have some, if not coffee, at least a party or something like that. So I think we ended, quite often my attitudes were formed in these discussions. I was doing some economics too, and so was Sukumar, so were others like Sonde, Patsu Gupta, and a number of them, most of them are dead now. But the opportunity to discuss really serious issues, grumble about what people are not doing, not just grumble at the government, but also about political parties. In many ways, the left party seemed the natural one for me to be sympathetic to. They were concerned with inequality, they were concerned with the Dalits issue. Not adequately to start with, but gradually they became more interested. They were interested in Schedule 5. And all these still require one to ask, do they have the right attitude to democracy? Do they have enough respect for human rights? Are they factually really aware? Do we get a really frank picture of what's going on in the Soviet Union and China from them? And if not, why not? All these are subjects of discussion. And I think this is a really serious issue today, because if you look at India today, you find that there is a reality which doesn't match people's perception. We're told, for example, that the government is overextended here, and it's doing no good, and it should be privatized if possible. Lots of people will tell you that. Now, certainly government has been overextended in doing things which it couldn't do well, like licensing and preventing individuals' initiative, or even business initiative. I have great sympathy for reform. At the same time, it is very underactive in education and healthcare. India spends 1.2% of the GNP of the GDP on governmental healthcare. China spends close to 3%. If you look